Mammy doll, Aunt Sally. Tattered, weathered, auctioned, sold. Draped in rags, eyes painted wide, lips distorted, bold. Mammy doll, Aunt Sally. Tattered, weathered, auctioned, sold. Draped in rags, eyes painted wide, lips distorted, bold. Painted in mockery, created to control. A narrative of loyal servant, twisted views to uphold. Labeled today as Black Americana. Collected, displayed, auctioned, sold. I reclaim you, Aunt Sally, as queen, as mother, as matriarch, as grace, restoring the honor denied to you, returning to your rightful place.
Sometimes I feel like a feather in your hair. Sometimes I feel like a feather in your hair. Lord, Lord, I know my time ain't long. Lord, Lord, I know my time. Sometimes I feel like a motherless.
Mammy doll, Dinah, a life forced, not one that she willingly chose. Wrapped in an apron, she was the comfort of a home that would never be hers. Hands that prepared meals she would never eat, standing tired, unable to rest her feet. Arms that cradled children that belonged to another, as her own children longed for their mother. The Mammy doll, stitched and sold, caricatured and commodified, still sought, still bought, still stories untold. They depicted her as content, as loyal, as motivated by dedication, a myth insidiously crafted to justify her subjugation. A warped, nostalgic symbol of the Old South, demeaning, confined to serving, exaggerated features, overdone mouth. Mammy doll Dinah, reclaimed, restored, resignified. We see you whole, we see you divine. You were never theirs to define. You are ours, you are mine.
Yesterday, I found a lullaby written in your name. Not a lullaby to protect you, to rock you to sleep to, but to cast your beautiful, fragile, tiny black body into the mouth of a gator. What a shame. Today I found you cast in iron, sat upon that gator's back still, and I could not leave you there. Today I sing you a new lullaby, and in this one you rise, not as bait, not as toy, but as joy, black boy joy. Today I removed you from that gator's back, and I bronzed you in protection, in love, in memory, in care. I placed you upon a carousel. I now imagine you playing in wonder, unbothered, unburdened, safe, in true freedom, living in your joy. Black boy joy.